If you've encountered the Bosch dishwasher E10 error, your appliance is signaling a problem with the heating element. This code typically means that the water in the dishwasher is not reaching the required temperature during the wash cycle. The most common causes of the Bosch dishwasher E10 error include a faulty heating element, limescale buildup in the heating system, or a partially clogged circulation circuit. Over time, mineral deposits can accumulate and reduce the efficiency of the heater or restrict water flow, causing the error to appear. To attempt to fix yourself, first disconnect the dishwasher from power. Then, run a descaling cycle using a recommended dishwasher cleaner to remove limescale. Check the water hardness in your area. If it's high, consider using salt and softeners regularly. You may also inspect the heating element if you have the technical skills. But remember, accessing internal components can void your warranty. If the Bosch dishwasher E10 error continues after cleaning, it's best to call an authorized Bosch service technician. The issue may involve an electrical fault in the heater, a defective sensor, or a control board malfunction, problems that require professional diagnostics. On average, the cost of repairing the Bosch dishwasher E10 error ranges from $130 to $220, depending on labor rates and part availability. For more tips on appliance maintenance and repair, subscribe to our channel and stay informed.